Children, in our society, we come across so many people who are smoking as well as they are chewing tobaccos, gutkas, pan masalas, and also drinking alcohol. They think that it is the uh, status point, but children, this is not good for our health, not good for our society, and not good for our family also. It spoils their family, it spoils their character and everything. That's why always remember one thing. This is my kind mantra for you, that you should never be addict of all these things. Always keep yourselves away from all these things, because they will spoil your life. They will spoil your relations, all these things. One bad company, bad friends, they will lead to all these habits, and because of that, it will spoil your life. That's why we have to study which are the harmful effects of all these things. Harmful effects of tobacco, alcohol, and smoking. Dysfunctioning of digestive organs. Our alimentary canal, our digestive organs, they cannot function properly because of the continuous addiction of all these things. Vomiting, nausea, headache, this may occur because these consumptions, they are directly related to our digestion, and because of that, all these digestive uh, ailments, diseases, they can occur. Then because of the oral consumption, what happens? There is the dysfunctioning of oral cavity, and there is swelling of gums, painful jaws. They cannot open their jaws properly because the smoking and chewing tobaccos, it leads to the fibroids, as well as the jaws become movement of jaws become very uh, difficult for them. Then inflammation of pharynx, throat, intestine, all these things occur. Then it may lead to the a very dangerous stage, cancer and oral cancer, intestinal cancer, throat cancer. These all things, they may lead to death, and death is not our aim. Our aim is our progress, and we should be away from all these harmful habits. I'm insisting on this point again and again, because my children are the education, they are taking education, and they are the nation builders, and that's why my children are my strength, and they should not be the addictives. What is my role? What is our role? What is the role of society for that? We should take an oath against addiction. Children, whenever I am in class and I am teaching all these things, at that time I always take oath in front of children, and the children also take oath along with me, that we should not be addictive, and we should not do all these things, and this oath should be taken in the assembly. I always take this oath in class, and if possible in assembly also. Then pictures, charts, slogans that are showing the disastrous effects of all these things, they should be displayed against tobacco consumption, smoking, and drinking alcohol. Different slogans, different sentences that may persuade them from all these activities, those should be given there. Then awareness programs as different lectures, motivational lectures should be given, so that they will give up all these habits. Then dramas, Then medicines, anti addictive medicines, they should be given to those addictives so that they will be free from all these things. Then dramas, motivational dramas that show the effect of all these things, those should be taken. And street dramas so that the common people, they can also understand the dangers of all these things. Then counseling sessions for these alcohol users and tobacco consumers should be taken so that they should not. And remember one thing, these consumers, they not only spoil their own life, but the people they are connected to them, they are also disturbed because of all these habits. No one become good by doing all these things. We have to become good persons and we should be free from all these things. Please, 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 children, always be away from all these things. Okay? Thank you.